How to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to fix GIF not working on Instagram. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. To check, launch Play Store on your device. Now tap search icon at bottom right and tap search bar. Type in Instagram. And if you see any update button, you simply need to tap on update and update it to the latest version. In case if you do not find update button, you can reinstall the application and then you will see on update button, select that and update it to the latest version. The next step you can follow is simply long press on Instagram app icon and choose I button. Once you access app info, choose storage uses and tap clear cache. And by following this two steps, you can easily fix the GIF not working on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.